is at the Hot Geological Site, Creek Site, not far from Mammoth. We haven't GoPro'd much because it's just so windy. It's very windy down here, I don't know if you hear it or not. But bit of a dirt track getting down, but not as bad as Bodie. But very pleasing, very pleasant. Some blue pools over there. Lots of hot rivers, a bit like Yellowstone. What do you think? Yellowstone? Yeah, very nice. It's cold day today. We're in thermals, 6 degrees, but then you've got a wind chill in there as well, so it probably feels like 2 or 3. But yeah, we would have liked to have come here for sunrise or sunset, but the gate says it's closed sunset to sunrise, and there is a few gates, so it's not worth the risk, which is a shame because it's only 10 minutes drive from our digs. But yeah, just enjoy the surroundings. Back up top now at the car park. Nice views again. Nice car park, we're just there. Lots of toilets, trash cans, picnic benches. It's all free, no charge. Not like a Mono Lake. I think there was a charge at Mono. So little lizard. Oh, cute fluffy. Hello. Are you having a go? Are you a big boy? I can see the scales on your back. Off you go.